How to find ideas for writing articles. Writing articles every couple of weeks or so is a great idea for your online business, but it can sometimes be hard to find good subject matter for your article. You write article after article, and finally you just seem to draw a blank on what to write about. I am sure that has happened to all of us at one time or another. When it happens to me, there are a few things that I can do to find fresh ideas. These tips will work for you as well. Below are some good places to find interesting and fresh article content. Blogs are a great place to find ideas for your article, as many different things are discussed on blogs. People share their opinions, ideas, experiences, and questions. Message boards are a good source of information as well. Follow the discussions and see what things people are interested in and need to know more about. I have written many articles from information I read on the boards. Email discussion groups, again, get involved in the discussions. Find out what information people are looking for. Not only can you get ideas for your articles, but you can learn a lot as well and make some new contacts. Just go to Yahoo and do a search for the appropriate type of group for your business. Internet news sites. Keeping up with internet marketing news is very important for your business. Not only for writing articles, but for keeping abreast of new developments, ideas, technology, etc. Research and write your articles to keep your readers informed as well. Read through your email, take note of what people are asking you about and what they are most concerned with. Keep a file on hand and record all questions that can be used to create a powerful article. Subscribe to e-zines. E-zines can be a goldmine of information and ideas. They allow you to keep up to date on the latest products, programs, biz ops, etc. Some of this information can make great articles. Do a survey, write a 2 or 3 question survey and send it out to associates or discussion group members, or better yet, your subscribers. Give your readers the information and news they are looking for. For example, what questions do you have about internet marketing? What resources do you need that you cannot find? Questions like this could give you some innovative article ideas. Read other articles. By reading other articles, you can come up with an unusual twist or angle for an overused idea. It sometimes helps to get different views and insights on the same old idea. Note: never copy information or content from an article, e-zine, or website. What would you like to know more about? Pick a topic you need to learn about, do some research, and turn it into a resourceful article. This is a great way to learn while promoting your online business. Always keep an open mind and eye out for article ideas. After a while, you will begin to see ideas automatically all over the net. Keep a notebook handy, and when you think of an idea, write it down in your notebook. I tend to think of ideas while lying awake in the middle of the night. I learned right away that if I don't write them down, they are totally gone by morning. And remember, people want and need basic, straightforward, helpful information. They do not want or need college words, fancy storylines, or over-dramatized articles. Also, do not be afraid to give your articles a little personality, humor, and best of all, heart. Write as if you were talking to the reader and doing your best to help them. Articles are one of the most powerful marketing methods online. Don't let a little doubt stop you from making this big step towards success.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.